top investment destinations in the world. Voice of the People's Party President and Nongkrem legislator Adan Miller Basayamoit began his indefinite hunger strike today morning over the reservation policy in front of the main secretariat. He was accompanied by leaders and members of the VPP. The group demonstrated a sit-in front of the main gate of the main secretariat and displayed banners demanding a review of the state reservation policy. Basayamoit decided to go on an indefinite hunger strike following the state government's refusal to discuss the reservation policy at an all-party meeting held recently.
Alor ka jing kutu kam sakadon ka jing tak ka bakraw daga jing pentri kam ka jing sorkari ka ni roster akan ni ka por ka pemata ka klemtre ban pembet ka ni station policy kumbalong hadu mata ka sorkar hi ka klempat ai ning ba kanu ka jing pentip yangi ya ka ai ka bakilele ai ka jing dawa ka jing kumbalong hi kani ka jingi kani asapang tak hadu ba inayo ya ke jawab ka masyayang ka sorkar.
The banks across the country